today I'm gonna review about this product right here. This is the Swiss Beauty Bake It Away Banana Powder, and I must say this is my second bottle and I am in love with this powder. This is a loose powder and it has a little yellow tint to it. I'm pretty sure it's already pretty viral, like everyone uses it. I use it on an everyday basis. I use it if I have an event. I use it like almost all the time. Plus for oily skin girls, this is phenomenal. I used to bake with this. It's obviously meant for baking, but yeah, I stopped baking lately. I find I don't need to bake, so I just set my makeup with this and I'm golden for the whole day. So this comes in 20 grams, okay, and it retails for 329. I'm pretty sure you can get it cheaper online, so do look out for that. And yeah, it goes a long way, like I have to tell you. So right now I'm just going to show it. It comes in a cap bottle like this, okay, so there's a cap. The only thing is that there's no place to dump out the powder. So what I do when I have to dump out the powder is that I take this palette, the steel palette, and I just dump out some powder in this and I just use it from here, so that makes my life easier. For starters, I'm going to show you the powder color. Okay, it's a very fine milled powder, like if you can see, the powder is fine milled and it's a brightening powder basically. So yeah, it also smoothens, like if you can see, it smoothens the whole skin. So yeah, it's a brightening powder, it smoothens everything, and it has no smell, so like people who are sensitive to fragrance, lovely. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna show you how I apply this powder, how this looks and sets on my skin, and yeah, you're gonna see it in live. Okay, as you can see, my face looks phenomenal. I mean, like, it's brightened and literally mattified my whole face. It actually looks pretty amazing. Yeah, so this was my little quick review about this powder. Now you can go about, apply some more blush and everything, and your face stays on perfect even on a sweaty day. So yeah, if you like this mini review, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.